What's up guys, Ali here from mysocialy.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about Facebook ads for local businesses, and then I want to talk about unexpected lesson I learned from one of my recent campaigns for a local business client. It was really interesting and unexpected. That's why I wanted to quickly make this video and share this with you, because the lesson that I learned is actually very interesting. Now, before we jump into the video, you know what to do, right? Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future video content. All right, now let's jump into this video content. So here I am logged into the Facebook Ads Manager, and we set up two campaigns. So it was a Christmas is coming up in 2019, depending on when you're watching it, but there wasn't a lot of budget for this, so we're only spending $3 per day, and we set up two ad campaigns, and everything is the same. The video is the same, the landing page is the same, even the targeting audience that we selected, that's the same. The reason we created two campaigns is because this client has two different pages, very similar pages. The content is fairly similar, not exactly the same, but fairly similar. So that's why we set up two campaigns, and our intention was we'll see which one is performing the best, and then we'll kill the one that's not performing. But here is what happened. We launched the campaign on December 10th. And we're looking at December 10th to December 15th, so the first week. I was so surprised. So in the past, when we have launched campaigns on for this business on these two pages, it's fairly similar. The results we get are like 19, 20. They're very close. But this time, look at this. The difference was on one video, we were getting 57 cents per click, and the other one, $1.67. So we were paying $1.10 more. That's just crazy. And by the way, let me actually show you the video too. So here's the active ad. It's still running. So again, it's for Christmas, 40% off, and super simple copy. We wanted people to know about this the Christmas campaign or Christmas savings. Let me play this. Let me disable the audio. And as you can see, super 30-second commercial. And we're talking about the different savings people can enjoy when they go to this business or local business. Now, what happened when I looked into it, initially I couldn't see what the difference, we were targeting the top zip codes close by. So here's the two campaign setup. We were targeting the two zip codes. The difference, once I looked into it, there was one difference, right? And let me actually show you before I fixed or made that change on this campaign. So notice this number right here. So on this campaign, we're paying $1.67. So I made the change on 15. And now let's look at the data from December 16 to December 19. And let's see. And look at this. So it's still not the same, but huge improvement. From $1.67, it came down to 80 cents. So what's the change? And you guys are gonna laugh, and I did too. Let's look at the ads now. The difference was the thumbnail. On the ad campaign, the video that was performing really well, we were using the thumbnail, a custom thumbnail. So when you upload a video content to Facebook page, you can add a custom thumbnail. The custom thumbnail we used was the actual image of that store, that business from the outside. On the campaign that was not performing, that was expensive, we were using the image that we used was actually from within that video. So that was the difference. That was not intentional. We didn't do it intentionally in the beginning, but that was huge. And when we changed the second expensive campaign, so we had to stop the ad, and then edit the video, add the custom thumbnail. And we picked the thumbnail which was the picture of the business, the local business. It started performing better, and much better. So I had to kind of step back and think, and it kind of makes sense too, because if you are a local business and if you create campaigns and you're targeting people who are close by zip code and who are really close to your business, if you're showing them an image of your business, your store from outside, guess what? Maybe they have driven by your business. Maybe they have seen the logo of your business on the street, and they recognize that on Facebook or Instagram, and they're likely to click. So, interesting lesson we learned for local, especially, may not be something that we can use for global businesses or online businesses. But if you have a physical presence and your campaign is targeting people who are close by, something you can test for your campaigns too. So by using a thumbnail, which was the image of the business from outside, kind of made our campaigns perform much better. And my theory, or the takeaway is, the reason for this is because people who are seeing the ad campaigns on Facebook, they may have passed by this business, they may have driven by this business, and they recognize that image. Now let me show you what type of images. So here's the that business location from outside, and then I believe we're using this exact image on one of the campaigns. So here again, picture of that business, from it shows the logo of the business, street sign, and here's another one. And we, after we saw this, we're having that that client actually take bunch of pictures from outside, so we can test on other campaigns as well and see how this performed. But again, super interesting, unexpected. I was kind of shocked in the beginning to see the difference, but it kind of if you step back, it does make sense too, as I explained this in this video. And if you run Facebook ads for local businesses, location-based businesses, so something you can try. So maybe in your video thumbnail, show something that people may have already seen, and they're likely to pay more attention to your ad campaigns. Now, before you go, you know what to do, right? Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future video content on this platform. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.